How to join meeting in Webex. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can join meeting in Webex. Okay, to do this is very simple. The first thing to do is to log in into. Before I go further, there are two ways whereby you can join meetings on Webex. The first way is by logging into your Webex account, just like I have done here, and then once you're on your account, by the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu displaying your profile, settings, and calendar. And then if you the next thing for you to do is to select your calendar tab. All right, once you click on the calendar tab, you'll be brought to this page automatically. Okay, that is if you are not brought to your calendar tab yourself. And then once that is done, once you're on this page, the next thing for you to do is to move over to the right side of the screen. You will notice that by the right side of the screen you can see some options, right, such as start, join, schedule. Our focus is on join, so just go ahead and click on join. That is to join a meeting. And then once you click on join, a box will be displayed, all right. And once this box is displayed, you'll see to join a meeting, search for a name to join someone personal's room, or enter a meeting number or video address. So for you to join through this method, you must ensure that you have the name of the person, the name of the person's personal room, or you have the meeting number or video address. Okay, once those requirements have been made, just input it here, search for the meeting. I don't search for the meeting, and the name of the meeting that you typed is correct, the meeting will pop up. All you need to do is to click on the meeting, and then you'll be allowed to join. And then the second way is through an email invite. Okay, so once you receive an email for you to join a meeting, just search through the email and see the join the meeting link. Once you see it, click on it. Okay, click on it, and then once you click on it, you would you'll be directed to either your application or to your site, and then you would be allowed to join the meeting automatically. Yes, so it is that simple. Okay, so this is how you can join meetings on Webex. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.